Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and install Python on Windows for data science, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and install Python on Windows for data science, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Python download into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Python website, which should be at python.org. Click on the link that directs you to the downloads section. On the downloads page, you will see a button that says Download Python followed by the version number. Click this button to initiate the download process. Once the installer file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run it. In the Setup window, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step is crucial. Next, click on Install Now to begin the installation. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The installer will extract and install Python on your system. Once the installation is complete, you will see a Setup Success message. Click on Close to exit the installer. Now, let's verify if Python was installed correctly. Open the command prompt by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. In the command prompt, type Python version and hit enter. If Python is installed correctly, you will see the version number displayed. Next, we'll install pip, which is a package manager for Python. Pip is often installed by default with newer versions of Python. To check if pip is installed, type pip version in the command prompt and hit enter. If pip is not installed, you'll need to download the get-pip.py file. Go back to your web browser and search for get-pip.py. Find the official link and download this file. Once downloaded, navigate to the folder where you saved get-pip.py. In the command prompt, change the directory to that folder. You can do this by typing cd followed by the path to the folder and hitting enter. Now, type python get-pip.py and hit enter to install pip. Once the installation is complete, type pip version again to confirm its installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.